For digital video today, we are going to be taking a look at two different items. The first one is going to be, I don't want to say a repeat, an extension of what you did on Tuesday the 12th. So you are going to have two clips that you need to edit to length. So you need to edit Inception and The Pursuit of Happiness to length. Inception, you're just taking out the very beginning of the movie trailer. The clip that you need is the first actual video clip in the Inception movie. In The Pursuit of Happiness, you're going to need to start at approximately 1 minute and 20 seconds. Okay? And to see which part of the clips you need, you will want to refer to the Success movie. So remember, we're only doing about the first 30 seconds of the project. Questions on that? Does that part make sense? Does that make sense? Okay. The second piece that we are going to be doing is you are going to be developing the voiceovers. So there are a couple voiceovers in the trailer piece that we are doing. And the script of what you need to say is here. Success is not an accident. Success in life comes when you simply refuse to give up. It is attitude, and attitude is choice. And you'll want to watch the beginning of the Success movie trailer several times so you can kind of see where the natural pauses need to be. Now, if your pauses are too short or aren't long enough, when you record, that's okay because we can cut those clips and space them out. But if you read it, success is not an accident, success in life comes from you won't be able to have time to cut. So you do need to have an idea of where the natural pauses need to go. Okay, and essentially it's where the commas are because that's how we read or how we are to read. But you will want to pause kind of a little longer than you would normally pause at a comma so you have time and you can adjust for editing. So I am going to go over how you are going to do that recording. And then, of course, at the end, you will post a screenshot to demonstrate your progress. And your screenshot should be going in this assignment right now. Yes? Well, that was yesterday's assignment. Okay, so I will say, so that's a very good question. My short answer is that was yesterday's assignment. As a rule of thumb, we don't have homework in here, okay? You know, I give you sometimes you need to think about things and prepare. Not all assignments can you finish outside of the classroom, but in terms of video, it works on your Chromebook. So you can work on it anywhere, anytime. And that actually leads us in to the narration. I'm going to show you how to do the narration, but you are going to close video, not now, on your desktop when it's your turn, and you're going to go out in the hallway to record your narration because, one, these don't all have microphones. Two, you would hear your classmates even just moving. Okay? So I am going to show you how you're going to do your voiceover. So you are going to have your project open, and you want to just come out to where there's no video clips. We're going to rearrange all these tomorrow, so don't worry about things being out of order right now. But you're going to come to where there's no video, and you're going to make sure you're on the My Media tab, and you are simply going to hit Narrate. Now, I pretty much have these lines memorized, but I should probably pull them up to make sure. On your Chromebooks, you will probably have to unblock and allow your mic, allow WeVideo to use your mic. You do want it to be allowed to use your mic. I cannot see the record button. Success is not an accident. Success in life comes when you simply refuse to give up. It is attitude, and attitude is choice. All right, so you can choose to record again if you need to. You can play it back. I'm going to roll with what I have. I'm going to hit save. There's my voiceover. Okay, so we'll go ahead and listen to that real quick. Okay, so that's where your narration will be. It'll be down in your voiceover down at the bottom. Questions on that? All right, so luckily these assignments can be out of order. So if you haven't been able to do the activity from the 12th yet, or the activity from yesterday, you can go ahead and do this one and then do them in different orders. Now tomorrow we are going to focus on putting everything together. So it is important that you have all the pieces accomplished by class tomorrow.